Toby, this is my new robot. It's very fragile.
Wow. It's so cool, Liam.
Please don't touch the controller, okay?
I promise I won't.
I need to go get some batteries from my room. Stay right here.
Okay, I'll just look at it. Just one little press. What could go wrong? Uh-oh. That's not good. Wait! No, stop! Come back here! Ah! Liam is gonna be so mad! Stop! Please, slow down! No, not the lake!
Oh, no!
What did I do? Liam will never trust me again. No one saw me. I can just say, someone took it. Quick, before Liam comes back. It must look like a thief did it. It looks real. He will believe me.
What happened here? Where is the robot?
A man, a sculpin, a strange man ran in and grabbed it. I couldn't stop him. An intruder? Toby, are you hurt? Did he touch you?
Tell me, Toby. Are you okay?
I'm fine. He just ran away. He can't have gone far. Let's go outside and find him.
Hello? Is anyone out there? Look closely, Toby. Did the thief run this way?
I don't know. It was too fast.
There are no footprints here. This is strange. Maybe he ran towards the park lake. Come on. Oh, it's starting to rain. We must hurry.
Liam, maybe we should go back inside.
No, Toby. I worked all summer to build that robot. I can't just lose it.
Keep up, Toby. Let's check the benches near the water.
Keep close to me, Toby. It's getting very dark.
I'm right here, Liam. I'm watching.
Nothing here either. He didn't drop it near the benches.
Wait. Did you hear that? Over there? Oh, it's just a little squirrel. I thought it was the thief. Liam, please, let's just go home. We can't find it in the dark.
One last check near the lake, Toby. If it's not there, we will go.
Let's check along the edge here.
Hold on to my jacket, Toby. The wind is too strong.
Liam, it's freezing. Let's go.
Oh no. The battery is dying.
Liam, it's too dark.
I think I see something in the shallow water. Wait here. It's cold. We'd beat it. But I have to find it.
Liam, don't. Please stop. Don't cry, Toby. I'm fine. I will find it for us. No! Liam! Stop! I lied!
You? You lied? What do you mean, Toby?
The robot! It's in the lake! I dropped it! There is no thief!
Toby, look at me.
I'm so sorry, Liam. I was so scared.
Shh. It's okay, Toby. I've got you. Don't cry anymore. I'm not mad about the robot, Toby. I'm just sad you didn't tell me the truth.
Come on, let's go inside before the storm gets worse. We will fix this together. We are home, Toby. Step inside quickly.
It's so warm in here.
Dry your hair first. We don't want you catching a cold. Liam?
Are you really not angry with me?
I was worried about you, Toby. Not the toy.
I was afraid you would be mad at me and never play with me again.
Toby, toys can always be replaced, but our trust cannot be easily rebuilt. Being honest takes real courage. I'm proud of you for telling the truth.
Thank you, Liam. I promise to always be honest.
Tomorrow, we will fish the robot out together and learn how to rebuild it.
Deal?
Look at this, Toby. We have plenty of spare parts here.
Wow. Can we really fix it with these?
See this blue line? This is the main circuit. We just need to dry it out and resolder it.
I want to help too, Liam. I can clean the mud off the wheels.
That's a great idea. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Rebuild.
The storm is gone. Ready to find our robot partner?
Yes, Captain Liam. I'm ready. Right there, Liam. Under that big leaf. I remember now.
I felt something metallic. I think I got it.
Hooray! Hooray! You did it, Liam. We did it together, Toby. Is it completely broken, Liam?
The outer shell is fine. The inside just needs a good clean.
See, Liam? I can wipe the mud away perfectly.
Let's head back to the garage workspace, Toby. Our workshop is waiting.
The final step. New power inside. It works! It's alive! Thank you for forgiving me, Liam. You are the best brother ever. Always choose the truth. Goodbye!